Trading was hard until I found the CRT model, right? In this video, I need to show you guys how to stop losing time, wasting your time in bad trades, in setups that doesn't work, and focus in one thing that can change your entire life, right? So I'm gonna teach you in this video, but stay with me and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That's my payment. I don't charge anything. I don't need money. Just subscribe and hit the like button so this message could reach a larger number of people, right? So no further ado, let's talk about the CRT, right? Because I spend a lot of my time in trading, doing a lot of shits, right? I try new methods, I try new setups, well guys, you can name it. I almost trade, I guess, everything, and when I realized the CRT is just not a model, it's a way of trading, changed completely my understanding of the market and changed completely my financial things, because I start to pass founding prop firms, and actually make money off the market. So if your goal is to pass a prop firm challenge, I suggest you highly listen to this. I'm gonna teach you guys, because it's worth gold, right? The first thing you need to understand is you need to stick to one model, okay? Sorry guys. You need to stick to one model, okay? And stick to this model consistently every single day. It will make you a good trader. And why I'm talking about this, because I'm the kind of guy who jump from one model to another, one setup to another, and that doesn't work, right? And the moment I stop shifting my trading style, and do one thing, like black and white thing, I can execute every single day the same thing, things begins to go well for me. So in this case scenario, the CRT helped me a lot, because changed my perspective of the market. And I wanna pass for you guys this kind of content, because I believe it's a life changer, right? Like today we're gonna almost live examples. Guys, I trade the 5 a.m. model. If you don't know the 5 a.m. model, I'm gonna link the description. You can see the video, but I do some recap here. So 5 a.m. model, basically you go to the 4 hour chart, and mark your 5 a.m. candle right here, right here, high and low of the 5 a.m. candle, okay? Such as the key levels. So here we got a key level, right? And then you go to the 15-minute in the time zone of the 9 a.m. until 10:30 or 11, whatever fits you the most. I prefer the 9 until 11, so that's the time window we're gonna do our trades, right? And after that, you just found 15-minute CRT. That's this guy right here, right? So you have the CRT high and the CRT low in this case, right? And after we purge the 5 a.m. high or low, the key level, and the 15-minute CRT, we drop it 1 minute and find our entry, right? It's pretty simple. You got the IFG right here. You just long from here, like the candle close above the IFG, like breaks the IFG, and you long, stop below the low, and target the 50% of the range, right? It's quite simple actually, but since I started to do this every single day, like my trading life was changed completely, right? Because it's something that is easy to replicate every single day. The market replicates it every single day, and you guys should take advantage for it, because it's like a money glitch. It's free money, right? And I highly suggest you guys to do this. So stop overthinking trade, because trading is easy. Once you get a model, like a black white model, you can like do a high amount of money, right? It's just you don't have to screw it. And this trade I actually post on YouTube. Okay, in this YouTube post I post this trade, like this trade, and the MetaTrader execution as well, for you guys. Don't say, oh, this only graphic. Oh no, I really took this trade, so no need to lie for you guys. And I need to show you the NASDAQ trade as well, because what the fuck. Just let me fix this. What the fuck, bro? Okay. The NASDAQ, it's quite easy as well, right? But it's a little bit different. I'm not going to share any details of the model of the NASDAQ. It's quite a different, but it's an easy model as well, right? And we have this trade too today. So looking like 2 or 3 pairs, you won't always got a trade, you know. This is specifically NASDAQ trade. I didn't take it because I'm not trading futures, but I highly thinking in coming back and trading futures, because it's so much easy, you know. It's been a easy road in this NASDAQ. I'm really glad with the results I'm seeing on the models, and maybe I wanna come back to trade NASDAQ. I don't know. It's I don't know. So the thing I need to talk about is stay consistent, right? Learn CRT. I have videos right here in the channel teaching you guys CRT. It's super easy. Like once you see it, it's impossible to unsee it. You're going to change your like entire market views. And choose one model and stick to it, guys, because it's what the fuck, man. It's easy, okay? And once you do that, repeat every single day. Repeat the model. Don't make any new things. Don't overcomplicate it. Just black and white. The trade appears, the trigger comes out. Just execute the trade and stop, take profit, and whatever. And journal your trades. That's important as well. Like journal your entries, like why you entry in some place, and like the motives that makes you execute the trade. And it's good for you, like I don't know, just measuring what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. So journal your trades. It's very important. I do this for a while and helped me a lot in my mistakes. So it's a bonus advice for you guys. Just journaling, like open the Word and just write it. Take a print of your trades and write it down, and you know, for you guys to in the future review that and say, oh, this trade I actually didn't need to take. I can just wait for the correct moment or the correct trigger. I mean, you don't know, just this kind of problem, you know. I'm anxious, I'm over trading, you know. So it's good for you guys, and I hope this video help you in some way, because honestly it's easy. All my content is here for free. You guys just needed to go there and take it, right? And well, actually we have a trade right here, right? So let's wait for the 15-minute CRT, right? 15-minute CRT right here, and we have the high of the 5 a.m. We got the 15-minute CRT right here, right? Well, you got a live example what I'm talking about. We still in the time window, so your trade probably is going to be in this order block right here, right? And we already do the desist right here, so it's a valid entry, and your trade's gonna be like something like this, okay, here, and take the midpoint of this range. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So guys, thank you, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye.